is energy, and everything is alive. If it is energy, it's having energy, it's all alive. Whether we talk about space, if we talk about water, if we talk about nature, if we talk about fire, every other thing is having energy. We even have this energy inside. That's why we are alive. So today we are going to talk about water. What water does have? Why we say that water is having healing properties. Actually, every other element is having its healing properties. But we know that water listens, water is alive. So how can we, do that with water, with the help of water? We must have seen the examples in the auspicious places. If you go any auspicious place, to temple, church, gurudwara, or maybe mosque, you will find the water bodies over there in whatever form. So we say that the water belongs to that particular place. That's why it's having its own healing properties, right? Hi everyone, this is Gitika Bhatia. Welcome back to our channel DIVINESPECT. Today we are talking about water. How can we heal ourselves with water? How can we manifest everything with water? What water does it have? What sort of energies does it have? So, though we do have the videos related to water bottle techniques or water magics on our channel in the playlist of Ho'oponopono and water bottle techniques, law of attraction. But today we are talking about, if you are not aware of anything, in fact anything, that what should we do, what mantras should we chant, or what can we do with the water, it's okay. If we talk about Reiki healing, we do have a lot of symbols. We need to study about it, of course. But if we are not aware of these things, instead we can do our own whatever we want in our lives, whatever we wish in our lives, and that can be fulfilled with water. And we know that in our body, it's like 70%, more than 70% is water. So you can understand that when we say every time that, okay, you say to yourself, keep your thoughts positive, your body is listening, your cells are listening, your system is listening. So how? Because the 70% water is listening, and that is reacting as per your thoughts. So whenever you are drinking water, we are talking about a water meditation. What do you need to do? It's very simple. It's way too simple. What do you need to do? You need to take a glass of water like this, and you just need to look at this water and need to smile and think about it. This water is so live. It's listening, whatever you say. If you're not saying anything, in fact, whatever the thoughts are going on in your mind, they are even going into this water, because just the energy, it is having energy, our mind is having energy, we are having energy, that is getting exchanged. So what we need to do, we need to smile at this water, we need to affirm, we need to say thank you first of all, appreciate this water for whatever we do have, everything in our lives, whatever the health, we should say thank you so much for this good health. Thank you so much for whatever you are doing to me in my life, for my happiness, for my success, for all my loved ones, for everything, and making me alive, keeping me healthy, keeping me happy. You need to say this to this water. If you can't speak in public, or maybe you are surrounded with someone else, it's okay. You can just think about it. And then you need to smile again, and you need to say that, okay, and for manifestation, whatever you want to manifest, you need to affirm, thank you so much for giving me such an amazing job in this organization. Thank you so much for giving me such a sweet and beautiful, healthy baby, if you are expecting a baby. If you are looking to maybe achieve something, you need to say to this water and need to say thank you. You need to affirm that yes, it's already done and this water has done this. And after that, just say thank you, thank you, thank you. And after that, you need to consume this water, drink this water. Whatever the energies you have given to this water, that is going inside your body, and this water will work accordingly. So every time, whenever you're drinking water, it's like we take it so for granted. Like, okay, it's just water. It's not just water. It is so important to our lives that it can do really big magics. But we need to believe in that. If we don't believe in this, then nothing will happen. But if you do believe in this magic, you will see your life will be changed. Whatever the problem you do have, let's say hair problem, skin problem, or maybe the biggest problem you do have, maybe debts, okay? You just need to affirm that all the debts have been released, all the debts have been removed from my life. Thank you so much, water. Now what this water is going to do, it is giving you that energy to your subconscious, to your body, to your system, that yes, you are able to release, remove those debts, and you are going to attract those kind of opportunities. Your mind will just think in that way. It will become so positive. So this is the way you need to do this water meditation, and it's really magical. So start doing it from now. Every time, whenever you are drinking water, you just need to thank, and you just need to tell the water whatever you wish for in your life, and you will manifest it so very soon. So try it with the simple things, smaller things first, then you will start believing it, and you will see the life will be changed. All right, so thank you so much. I hope you understood now that what exactly this water is having. It is so magical. Thank you. Have a very great day ahead.